Today's Saturday, and we're going to a Cars and Coffee again. Everyone seemed to like that, including myself. So that's pretty exciting. Currently, it's 6:58 a.m. Obviously. In about 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna be leaving, heading to I think to a Price Chopper in the next city over. We're gonna be meeting up with a bunch of people, and then caravanning to the Automotive Museum in Kansas. I don't remember which city actually. So looking at the car, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up a couple things. I don't really have a whole lot of time to watch the whole thing. I'm just gonna kind of touch up the wheels and just kind of wipe it down real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. See how quick I can do it. I'm trying to stay warm. It's actually a bit nippy this morning. Sweet deal.
Just leave me alone. Hell nah, I ain't sleep today, but I'ma be okay. Miss my family on the east, but fuck it, I can't leave LA. Every meeting that I be in, trust me, I just lead the way. I fucked 3 times before 3 today. Piece of cake, never gave a fuck about what the teachers say. Cause either way, I'ma just do me and she said me too. I say see vous play. Walking out the club with me and TMZ is out here, ain't no secret safe. If that's your girl, why she in my section? If that's your girl, why she doing role play, going both ways like an intersection? Still look like an interception, but you could have her back. She asked some questions, like what's next, what's that, what's up? I just wanna chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Cause goddamn that body there goes as fuck. Somehow you hot as hell, but still.
Made it to the car show. Unfortunately, none of us were recording, but oh my fucking god, we saw a Skyline GTR on the way here. Right-hand drive, legal in the States. Never seen one in person before. Cannot even believe that we were able to do that. I didn't catch up to him because I thought he was going to the show, so I wasn't really worried about it, but cannot believe that we saw that on the way here. I guess you just had to be there to experience it. Like, oh my god. So just got to the show, like I said. Got the whole squad here. It's been pretty sweet. We just parked, so we're gonna walk around, see what we can see again. Like I said, looks like it's gonna be a much better turnout than it was last time I was here. The temperature's probably gonna have a little bit to do with that, and also it's gonna be, you know, later in the season, so pretty excited. Let's go. if I can hear any more. No big deal.
Hey, Brevin.
So clean. Nice.
That first little blend scared the fuck out of me.
Probably fastest of all of us. So we have left the Cars and Coffee today. It was actually pretty sweet. I don't know how much I filmed. We'll see, you know, what the montage looks like. But I got some friends here. Colby actually drives a Cruze as well, and he decided to get a muffler delete. So we just found this random South KC muffler place. Actually, the only place that was open today on Saturday. We'll see how it works. But he's getting a muffler delete right now. I think he's gonna put in a different muffler, so hopefully they'll sound a little better. Not everyone likes the style of my car right now, but we're doing that right now. Hopefully that sounds good. I'll catch you back in a minute. Okay, so he just took off the muffler. Before we put on a different thing, you and I already know how this sounds, but this will be exciting either way. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be probably not very proud, but
Some dude just
Little 103 horsepower.
Ford Focus.
sounds pretty good. Oh, that whistle. Oh,
I can't get over the cold.
yeah. Ooh, nice job. Thumbnail? Oh, the sun's on the wrong side. So definitely more response. You can definitely hear the turbo whistle much more. Nice job. Thank you, South KC Muffler. Pretty quick service and awesome,
It's more than
awesome
this.
time.
Right, here's a-
Give it the beans.
Oh, are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Made me look like a fucking idiot.
That'll be my thumbnail. It's okay. That sounds good. A little bit of pop in there. Nice job. Okay, it's Sunday, next day. I forgot to film an outro. Thanks for hanging out with me this long. I had a good time. I have a couple other things planned and already in the works, so should have another video out sometime pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.